So, just a few hours back, thanks to Jimmy's promo on YouTube, we got to know about some cool new video features coming to the Note 20 Ultra, like 120fps video capture at 1080p resolution and a way better 15x zoom camera system that produces much better photos than the 100x system on the S20 Ultra. Also, very interesting 21:9 cinematic video capture even in 8K. That's the one I personally really love. He also placed the Note 20 Ultra side by side with the S20 Ultra. Yes, the bump is huge on the Note 20 Ultra, but at least the phone is beautiful. Even Blast from EV-Leaks shared a full 360-degree video of the Note 20 Ultra in mystic bronze color, and we can clearly see the huge monotone island on the back. It looks really dope. It's the Post Malone of phones. Oh yeah, the S Pen as well as the speaker grill have been moved to the left side of the charging port this time, so the long-term Note users might have to build new muscle memory with the Note 20 Ultra. We can immediately see the Note 20 Ultra design is a bit more refined compared to the Note 10, with the top bezel shaved off a little more and the punch hole looks a bit shrunk, just as rumored. But the Note 20 design is a peak of Samsung's design anyway, so we can't expect anything drastic in the front at least. For the flat screen lovers, Samsung has cooked the Galaxy Note 20 for you. You can check out my episode revealing everything about the Note 20. But the Ultra model is really an Ultra device with curved size, seemingly great screen to body ratio. I don't know, it's just beautiful. Do you like what you see? Comment down below. And if you like this episode, please hit the like button and do subscribe. I appreciate that. Anyway, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 design is also finally out. It's a low quality press render, but that reveals the product's sleek design for the first time in the internet. Originally published on Weibo, later shared by Ishan Agarwal on Twitter. The render in question reveals the Samsung has decided to unify the design language of the Note 20 series and the Galaxy Z Fold range. You can see what I mean. Due to the angle at which the Galaxy Z Fold 2 is folded in the press render, only two cameras can be seen sitting inside the large bump. However, recent reports suggest that the smartphone has been fitted with total 3 sensors. These includes a 12-megapixel primary camera that is coupled with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter and a 64-megapixel telephoto snapper that snaps 3x hybrid zoom, likely been borrowed from the Galaxy S20 series. As reported previously, the external display and the inner display on the Z Fold 2 is much more bigger than the original device. It will also feature more modern-looking punch hole displays both sides with no S Pen support. So yeah, these products are expected to make their debut at Unpacked event August 5. Pre-orders of the entire lineup are expected to come in soon after that. So yeah, that is it for this episode. Hit the like button, do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.